Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is February 9th, 2015, first day of the week, and we've implemented a brand new ATM strategy on crude, gold, and the Russell. We've moved to a 13 range chart. We've dropped the number of contracts from 4 to 3, and we're taking 2 contracts off at plus 10, 1 contract off at plus 20. The entry is going to be on a 1-tick pullback. So our initial stop is 15 ticks, goes to 14. Our initial target is plus 10, goes to plus 11. And our second target of plus 20 goes to plus 21. And we don't have to go any further on the trade. And because of the premium we get on the pullback, the potential upside on the trade is $430. The potential downside is 420, so our risk to reward is greater than 1 to 1. And the biggest thing is, because we require at least a 1-tick pullback for entry, it's going to eliminate slippage on the entries, because the pullback requirement gets everybody into the trade on at least a 1-tick wick, and a 13 range usually gives you a big wick. 2, 3 ticks, but it almost always gives you at least 1 tick to get you into the trade. And today we just had stellar trades. Now, on the 13 range, we require background bias, order flow, and momentum. All 3 of those parameters must be in place to take a trade. And you see right here on crude, on gold, if we took this perfect entry, this retracement, moved to the upside, and then took it as a continuation short, without background bias, we would have had a loser. It would have stopped us out at minus 14, but we didn't take it. Now, this was a good trade. Just a risky one, and we were already done. So we didn't have the conundrum of having to worry about whether or not we were going to take that trade. We were finished. On the Russell, we didn't have a trade on the Russell. I missed one, and it was this trade. Now, we had this move up and retracement right here. Now, it didn't have order flow and momentum. It did have background bias, and this trade would have gone 15, so it would have been a winner. But staying very conservative, this was the trade, the move up, the retracement, and then the continuation to the upside for 29 ticks. Now on crude, we had really nothing. Early in the morning, we had this great continuation long with order flow, momentum, everything. Now this trade really was a single trade of 48 ticks because it never came back 15. Or it was 2 trades, 115 here and the other one on the entry here. 32. So 2 stellar entries right there. Then here were the 2 trades we took. There's the break of the modified 15 and the 50, the retracement, the move up with order flow and momentum. Now the trade actually went 11 ticks, but hardly anybody got into the trade, even though it had a 1-tick pullback, so I didn't count it. So actually, this is an 11-tick winner. I did not even book. But then it came right back. Here, order flow, momentum, background bias, big wick, and this trade went up for 34. And because it kind of fluttered around a little bit, I took our 3 contracts off at 7, and we made $210 on the trade. If I would have let it go all the way, we would have had a $300. We would have had a $400 winner. So I really closed that prematurely. Now we've had our first trade on Treasury notes. We have the move to the downside, the retracement. Now on notes, bonds, and the ES, we don't have to absolutely take with order flow and momentum. We just want really 50-15 down, background bias to be with us. And the trade pushed down 4 ticks. We're only looking for 3 ticks. We're trading 4 contracts at $16 a tick. And then on the ES, we had another winner. Right here. You had the move, break of the 50 and the 15, retracement, continuation to the downside with background bias, order flow, and momentum. Nice big wick, got everybody into the trade, out at +4 on 5 contracts. So today our net equity, we had 3 trades and 3 winners. On crude, we had 3 contracts off at +7. Now the trade went 34. ES, we had 5 contracts off at +4. And on notes, we had 3 contracts off at +3. Net ticks were 46. Net equity was $652. The auto trader just had a winner. What market, Leo? So it had 1 trade, 1 winner, went 6 ticks. So it made $120. The auto trader has yet to have a loser this month. So we had a really, really awesome day. That's it for today. Listen, I invite everybody into the room for a free trial. We just have a stellar ATM strategy. And this is just my chart of the dollar. So sign up for a free trial to our live trading. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll find a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity for the auto trader, and a sign up link, as well as a contact us link that gives you a pre-formatted email where you can give us any comments or questions. You can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com or call us anytime at 1-855-765-6681. And please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. We make these videos for you almost every single day. So everyone have a great afternoon.